Good morning, class. So, Five Eyes, the poem we are discussing. Two stanzas already we have discussed. That stanzas we come to know that three cats are there. Among the cats, one is having one eye only, and with these five eyes, how they are taking care of the meal of Hans. And at night, how the rats are disturbing those cats, and how the rats are doing their activities by making noise, jumping from one place to another, even in the empty stairs. That also we have discussed on those stanzas. Now, in the next two stanzas, let's see what is there. Then down the pounds, now in, now out. See, pounds means from jumping one place to another place. Okay, then only there it is visible. After that, only there actually cannot see at all. All the words are actually for the cats. The cats are watching those rats' activities, how they are jumping from one place to another, how they can easily move from one place to another place quickly. Is it squeaking and scampering that we have discussed? So, like that only. At whisking tail means the cats are actually watching the tails or the snouts of those rats so that they can easily catch them, but they cannot follow at all. At whisking tail and snipping snout, they are actually looking over those tails and how they are moving. That all thing they are actually watching, is it? And after that, they thought that then and then they can catch those rats, but it's not easy for the cats to catch the rats, as they are just jumping from one place to another place very quickly. While lean old Hans he snores away till peep of light at break of day. Means little Hans here is saying that lean old Hans, because he is not at all young person, he is very old. So that time he was snoring, and on that moment that his cats are actually watching over all those activities. Clear? And he said that he was sleeping till the next day, means while the day will come out, that time only he'll just woke up to this all the activities of the rats only the cats are watching, observing, and even they are protecting his milk from the rats, trying to protect but cannot be. Okay, as he was not well, so until the morning he is actually sleeping. Then up he climbs to his cracking meal. Out come his cats, all grey with meal. Jackal, Jessup, and One-Eyed Jill. The names of the cats are given. That can come as a short questions. The name and write down the names of the three cats. One question, as I said, what we can be? Write down the names of the three cats. Write down the names of the three cats. Names of the three cats. Among them, who is one-eyed? Among the three, or among them, who is one-eyed? Clear? So names are Jessup, Jackal, and Jill, and who is one-eyed? Jill is known as one-eyed. See, so after that, when sun rises, means morning, next morning, Hans is coming up with the cracking mill. Why? Because the mill is very old, and the stairs of the mill, while he is going up, it's making noise, that is cracking. Out come his cats all grey with meal, means all come out on that time to say his master something. With their movements the master can understand what happened and how they are coming. They all actually come with grey with meal, means here vision is limited to only one eye. Is it? Here vision is limited. Here you can say that meal mean here wants to say that while Hans was sleeping, he has no worry about his meal, as he is having or keeping three cats for the meals. So he don't have any worry about this meal. So while he come out, all the cats are actually wants to greet him and say something with their activities. Okay, this is only the thing. And here you see that gray with meal means it's all are covered with the crushed grain, because they are catching the rats. So for that reason they can jump on the sacks of the weeds. Okay, they can jump on the sacks of the floor. So by that way they are jumping from one place to another way to catch the rats. And all night they have done all these activities, and while in the morning Hans went there to meet them, that time they came out with all covered with these grains and all, and tried to say that your meal is safe as you kept ours, so your meal is safe. Like that way they have said, they are trying best, but they are not at all doing. So this is only the poem. So that read out the poem. This question you will do, along with that the summary or the setting of the poem will do. What is the setting of the poem means the summary of the poem will do. And another one you will write that three cats names are there, but why the poet has used that five eyes, what is the reason to give such a title? Clear? That also you will prepare. So just prepare these questions and try to read the poem. Okay, till then, thank you class.